Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. And welcome again to another video. If it's your first time to stop by, thank you so much. You're welcome. Feel at home. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell. Give this video a thumb up and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel. You guys, you are awesome. I love your support. Thank you so much. So today in this pineapple hairstyle, I started by dividing my hair into two sections. Front section, I start from ear to ear and I'll use rubber band. Then I go ahead and divide section in back. I'll use shine and jam in every single section. I'll divide in back section and I'll use rubber band to secure it. If you feel your hair does not have enough oil, you can add some oil on your rubber band to avoid the rubber band to tag your hair. But if you feel like your hair have enough oil, you don't need to add any amount of oil in your rubber band. So in this line number 1, I divide a total of 4 sections, and each one I apply shine and jam, make sure it's clean, then I secure it well with rubber band. Then after this, I go ahead and divide this section or the line number 2, which I repeat the same thing, but this time the line go a little different because this style I like to call it pineapple, but I'm not sure if this is the name of this style. If you have different name for this hairstyle, leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me how you call this hairstyle. So here the line is a bit different compared with the sections I divide the first line. And after dividing 3 sections, then I put them together just like this, 3 sections together. And after that, I use a rubber band and I secure them. After that, I apply again shine and jam on top. Then I divide these 3 sections into 2. Then I go ahead and divide another new section. I apply gel. I secure it with rubber band. And then here I'll use half. Back section I'll use half. First line section number 2 with the second line section number 2. So total I'll use 3 sections, tag them together. Oh my goodness. I hope the more you watch this video, you'll understand more than explanation. So again, I divide another section. I apply gel and secure with rubber band. I make sure up I add some shine and jam gel just to make sure everything slick well. Then 3 sections, put them together, take elastic band and secure them together. Sis, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not yet, kindly like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell. In this style, if we forgot about the line number 1, I'm talking about back section. If we forgot about the line number 1, let's count from line number 2, section number 2. From there, each section you have to attach one more section from left side and from back side. After you attach 3 of them, tag them with rubber band, divide into 2, leave one side, then another side, leave half, and half side you'll attach again with the next line. The half side you leave it pending is the one you'll attach to the next line. And here, each lines you have to make your sections line like a little bending, then you can get a good picture of pineapple. The line number 3, the section is not straight like the section I divided in the line number 2. The line number 3 is a little bending going a little up to make this pineapple shape to show all sides. And after that, you have to tag every section from left side, back, tag 3 together, then divide into 2. Use half, while half you leave it there for the next line. This is how we continue this style till end of this back section. If your hair is natural, especially for C like mine, you have to make sure each section you put enough gel from the roots to end of each section. Then that will be easy for you to attach those sections from left and back together. If you not put enough gel, you'll find that this style will not come out. Yes, some natural hair really not so easy to get gel. Even mine, I didn't expect that this hair will get this gel up to this point. But here we go, and I make sure every section I apply enough gel. Here in this back section, don't feel sad about your gel. You have to make sure you use enough gel to get this style well. The good thing is this is a protective style, and you can use this style to go to wedding party, kitchen parties, send off, church, dates. You can go with this style everywhere. It's very comfortable, beautiful. Yes. So here I almost done with back section. This is the last line of this hair. As I said, 3 sections, tag them together, divide into 2. After dividing, make sure every section gets enough gel, then half attached to the next section, while another side leave there to attach to the next line. Like here, I'm end of this line, so each section I attach half, I will leave it there. Then I will show you how I will hold this section. So guys, all in all, this is how the back section looks like. Let's move to front side. Front, I use Eco Gel, and before I apply Eco Gel, I make sure I spray some water on my hair to make my hair easy to get gel. And if you don't know, when you spray some water in your hair, you make your hair easy to get gel more than to apply when your hair is dry. So after I apply each section, I go ahead and take a brush and I brush my hair. Make sure everything is okay. And at this point, I make sure those back section, I leave it there. I will attach it with front section. So after I brush with small brush and make sure everything is okay, I take hairband and I secure it well. Don't forget to put well your edges, and then after I make sure the edges is okay, I take the scarf and I cover my hair for a very short time, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then we are back. This hair I use is from Darling, and I use 2 pieces, one black and one brown. I mix them together. Then I take hairband and I secure it well. And then I attach on my natural hair. Then I divide a small section. I brush it well. And then I will use this to secure this hair before you continue to other section. But when you are attaching, you have to make sure every time you brush this hair to make it clean. And when you attach it, you must make sure you didn't pull too much, but at least this section secure well the rest of the hair to avoid this hair to move out. So I use this section and I continue to grab it on top of my natural hair and this braiding hair till I make sure this braiding hair finish. Here no need to add any bobby pin, just use this braiding hair till finish. And after that, I divided this hair into 5 sections. You can make it equal if you can. If you cannot, just try to make sure they look a little even if not even 100%. But just make sure you get 5 pieces. I make sure I pull it well so that I will not mix it when I style up. So after that, I start roll. Each section I roll. Then I pull a little back to make a kind of, I don't know how to call this. So I roll it, then I move it. I roll it and then I move it a little back. I didn't roll till end. I keep some few hair over there. Then I attach this on the next section. Roll it. Bend it a little back. And then keep going. You can decide one section you want bend 5 times, 6 times, 2 times. It depends on how you want your band to be. But here, no specific time for you to bend your hair. Keep rolling, not too much. The more you're rolling, you can try to pull out, you can try to pull back, and you'll see everything got on point. And that's how I do all these 5 sections. But before you roll it, you must make sure you brush the hair. The hair is clean, because after you bend it, then you find a lot of hair there out. That's not good. So you have to make sure the hair is clean before you bend it to get good results. So this is the last section. I brush it, then I bend it. You have to make sure you'll not forget the direction you bend it. You have to be careful. Then after this hair remain fewer, I go ahead and I grab it here. Just slowly. In this style, no need a bobby pin. Only your braiding hair and gel and rubber band. This style is very easy. Then I make sure this braiding hair finish. To get this knot band well, I go ahead and take needle and yarn and seal it well. Slowly, you have to be careful. Don't hurt yourself when you are doing this. Take your time. Then here I'm done. Then I take scissors and I trim off. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy, you like it, and you find this video is useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, share, and I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. Bye bye.